Hello everybody, welcome to this edition of Ask the Expert on localinterviews.tv. Today's question is how to find a good plastic surgeon in Beverly Hills, and our expert today is Dr. Raja Srour. Welcome, Dr. Srour.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks again for doing this with us. As mentioned, the first question I got for you is, what would you tell somebody asking you, how should I go about finding a good plastic surgeon? What should I look for?
Well, it's still most probably the most efficient way, and is by word of mouth. I mean, is asking colleagues, friends, relatives who have had some kind of surgery and what was their experience with such and such a surgeon. And if it is something positive, then you go for it and you go and meet the surgeon. If it is something negative, then you have to look somewhere else. And nowadays there is no shortage of sites on the internet where somebody can look for the specialty that they're looking that they want, and the kind of procedure and the location geographically of the surgeon where they are interested in going.
Great. Now what I'd like to hear from you is, what kind of experience can people expect when they come and visit you?
Well, when patients come to visit, you know, they have to go through first few steps. They have already looked up your website. They looked at your work. They have looked at the pre-op and the post-op pictures. They looked at some of the reviews that you have on your website, or also on other websites like Yelp or other sites that do write about doctors, and where patients also voice their opinions of and their experience of the doctor. So when they come here, they're already educated. I mean, they know about you, they have seen your work, but you know, the advantage we have here in our clinic is that I am also an artist. I do a lot of very beautiful paintings, and when people walk into our clinic and they see the artwork there that I've done, it hits them that good, there's at least there is some artistic sense, aesthetic creation there, that he would know what he's looking at and give me the right advice.
That's actually a very interesting perspective. That's great. Well, that's, I mean, that's very convincing. But do you offer any incentive, just put it that way, to get people to come and visit you? Because I assume it's important for them to talk to you first, right?
Absolutely. The incentive first is that we offer a free consultation. That is really a good incentive for patients to come. It's not going to cost them anything. And like everything in life, they'll come. They'll see our setup. I personally meet with every patient. There is no other people that do the interview and then the doctor pops in his head, yes, yes, and goodbye. I spend all the time I need to spend with the patient. And we discuss their concerns. I show them before and after pictures of the procedure they're interested in, and sometimes, being an artist, I can draw it easily. I draw what I see and what I figure out would be the right outcome for them, and they're quite impressed by something very personal. You build up a rapport with the patient, and it's very subjective and not just cold and detached.
Oh, I like that, and it makes a lot of sense that your website should be called cosmeticart.net, and also the art of cosmetic surgery. That's very, very good.
Yeah, because it's also on my website. There is a part of they can click and they go to Raja's Art. It's called another page called Raja's Art, where they go and look at my artwork, and then when they see the artwork that I really do on top of the surgical creations, then they can excuse me, make up an idea about who they're going to meet before they even get here to the office.
Yeah, that's awesome, and I'm going to invite people to go and check it out. It's at www.cosmeticart.net, and then on the right-hand side, you're going to see this link to see Dr. Srour's art website. So that's a great way to get people to get to know you before they even go and see you. But for those who want to book an appointment right now and then get this free consultation with Dr. Srour, I invite you guys to go ahead and call 310-276-1184. Now, so do it. and then you'll know for sure if Dr. Srour is a fit for you. So again, Dr. Srour, a big thank you for your time. Really appreciate it.
Thank you for meeting you, and thank you for the interview.
Great. So that's it, guys. That's it for this edition of Ask the Expert on localreviews.tv. And see you next time. Bye-bye.